News, call 12 for action.
Would you pay 260% interest on a loan? Of course not. But if you needed a payday loan, you may end up paying huge interest rates.
Now, a proposal to stop lenders from charging these high rates is once again being debated at the State House. Problem solver Susan Hogan joins us now with the latest. Payday loans are short-term cash loans that borrowers pay back when they get their next paycheck. But the problem is many can't pay it back in the required 2 weeks. And that's the problem.
We met this East Bay woman walking out of the local check-and-go with a fistful of cash, $450. She didn't want to be identified.
A lot of people feel that there's this stigma attached to payday loans, but for you it's an absolute necessity?
It is. It is.
Why?
Because my Social Security check don't meet all my needs between rent, medication, food, insurances. It's not enough.
But it's for the very people like this woman that Representative Frank Ferry is trying to help. He's sponsoring legislation that would prohibit payday lenders like Advance America or Check and Go from charging what he considers outrageous interest rates. Some can go as high as 260%.
The way it's designed is it gets them into a trap.
In your opinion, do these payday lenders set folks up to fail?
That's the business model for this product. It's that if somebody doesn't turn this over again and again and again, the company's not going to make the money that they're making, the millions that they're making.
Ferry's legislation would set limits as to how much payday lenders can charge. He wants it set at 36%. But Doug Knight, who runs Check and Goes in Rhode Island, says, unlike his critics who call his industry predatory, he says oftentimes they're the only option for people who can't get a traditional loan.
There are other states that are up to $22, $30 per hundred. Internet lenders could go up as high as $40 per hundred.
And about those high interest rates, Knight says it's just not the case.
When it comes down to it, it's $10 per hundred, and I just think there's a big misconception over that fact that if somebody borrows 100, they pay back 110.
Now, the payday loan proposal is being heard right now in both the House and the Senate. We have a lot more information for you on payday loans and how they actually work. Go to our website at WPRI.com. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.